I'm Matty Young from Young One Studio, so I think I've actually got my hands on something that, for all intents and purposes, doesn't officially really exist yet. This is the brand new, newer PS212E V-mount battery. Now, before anyone jumps onto the comments, yes, I've done a bit of digging. I've searched the newer website, I've checked their V-mount lineup, I've looked through their product pages, and of recording this video, I can't really find this battery listed really anywhere on NEEWER's official website. What's really interesting is that I have found it popping up on Amazon UK, Amazon Canada, and even Best Buy's website. But when I called Best Buy to ask about availability, they told me they haven't actually received any stock yet. So despite being listed in a few places, it still kind of feels like this battery hasn't had any kind of official launch or announcement, yet somehow I managed to get my hands on two of them. And with Cine Gear just around the corner here in Los Angeles next week, I have a sneaking suspicion we might see an official announcement very soon. So I thought I'd just give you all a little sneak peek before that happens. Now let's talk about specs. This thing is an absolute beast. We're looking at a 212 watt-hour V-mount battery with a 14.56 volt operating voltage and roughly 14,550 milliamps of capacity. It features dual USB-C ports, dual D-tap ports, USB-A, multiple DC outputs, and up to 140 watts of USB-C power delivery. That means you're not just powering cameras anymore, you can power laptops, monitors, wireless video systems, LED lights, chargers, and pretty much your entire production setup from a single battery or a bunch of these. One thing I really like is the OLED display. It gives you detailed information on battery percentage, power draw, remaining runtime, charging status, and output information. Right now, it's just giving me 100% because it's not plugged in or charging. It's a sort of feature that once you have it on a battery, it's very hard to go back. NEEWER is also claiming very fast charging PD speeds, which is becoming increasingly important as more of our gear moves towards USB-C powered workflows and charging. Now, obviously, there is a trade-off. At 212 watt-hours, this isn't a battery you're casually throwing into your carry-on luggage. It's well above the common airline limits, so this is very much designed as a serious production battery rather than a travel companion. I'm just chucking this around, but it's actually quite heavy. For my workflow, that's perfect. My URSA Cine LF runs on B-mount batteries, but I've adapted my PYXIS 12K to V-mount batteries, and I also run a lot of external monitors and wireless video systems and accessories that can all take power from V-mount batteries. And a battery this size means fewer battery changes throughout the day, longer run times on set, and less worrying about power management when you're trying to focus on the shoot and your actors and the production. And honestly, that's what really caught my attention here. There are plenty of V-mount batteries on the market, but a 212 watt-hour battery with modern USB-C power delivery and charging, multiple output options, really fast charging, like I just said, and relatively compact form factor. It's a pretty compelling package, and what's even more interesting is how little information seems to exist about it. Usually by the time a product reaches customers, like me, having it here in my hand, there are reviews and launch videos and press releases and spec sheets everywhere. In this case, there seems to be almost absolutely nothing besides on a few Amazon different countries that aren't America, but no real marketing push, no launching campaign, no official product page that I can find. So either this is one of the quietest product rollouts I've ever seen, or we're looking at a product that hasn't really started appearing in the wild before NEEWER has officially taken the wraps off it. I'm just very lucky I got a few of them. Either way, I thought it would be fun to show you all of this. First, over the next few weeks, I'm going to put these through their real-world paces, testing on productions, running them on the PYXIS 12K, my monitors, wireless systems, lights, and I'm going to see how they actually perform outside of the marketing specifications. And if NEEWER does officially announce these Cine Gear next week, well, you've seen them here first a couple of days before Cine Gear. So, quick thing, let's have a very quick look. Now I've done all the talking. Let's see if my camera can catch it. Yeah, it can. So the inputs, the outputs, DC in, DC out, USB-C, in and out, USB-A. D-tap ports are on the sides right here. D-tap port, another one on the side right here. D-tap port. The screen is really beautiful. It's very bright, it's full color. It's extremely smooth and responsive. When it's charging, you get a whole bunch of different readouts. When it's plugged into a device, you also get a bunch of information on here. The whole body has this really beautiful rubberized, it's got a carbon fiber pattern on it, but it's a very nice grippy rubberized texture. It's got little feet on the bottom here, which is really nice. When you put it down on a tabletop or a counter, it stops it from sliding or moving around. All in all, oh, and then I'm not entirely sure if this plate here is actually metal or if it's like a plastic feel that has a metal look to it. But all in all, it's a very beautiful design. It is a very, very nice battery, and I highly recommend it. Okay, there you go. You got to see this first before it's pretty much anywhere. Like I said, I'm going to put it through its paces this week, and we'll see how we go. All right, thanks, guys. I'm Matty Young from Young Studio, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.